All right, thanks, Brian. I'm not sure about you guys, but at home this weekend, the conversations have started about the holidays.
Absolutely.
About when are we going to have it? What are we going to have? What are you going to bring? So great to have Patrick Denninger. Denninger's here in Hamilton with more on what possibly you could be making and impressing with at your holiday dinner. So good to see you again. I know you were last here in April after kind of taking over the reins as the head of Denninger's, celebrating 70 years.
Celebrating 70 years, yes. Thanks for having me back. Last time I was here, I was showcasing some sausages, and I said, let me come back for a proper cooking demonstration. So that's what we're here today for.
That's what we're here, because I'm a guy, I know turkey's always a popular one at Christmas. I always like when Mom does a little ham on the side too, because I'm a bit of a fan of the ham rather than the turkey. So
perfect.
That's what we're focusing on. So what's the ham we got here, Patrick?
We're all about the ham as the centerpiece of the table.
Okay.
So today we're featuring our apricot glazed Virginia style ham. So it starts with 100% Ontario pork, naturally selected, and then smoked with hardwood chips at our manufacturing facility in Hamilton. And then this is how you get it for take home.
So it would look like this, just all wrapped up?
Comes like that, wrapped up. It's called the ready glazed ham.
Okay.
Comes with the cloves already in there, prepped and ready for baking at home.
Okay, so then the instructions are what? Opening this, what is this here?
Yeah, that's just some ginger ale. You can kind of use beer, whatever else you have in your fridge.
Am I pouring it right over top or just in
the bottom's good there, yeah. Just a little bit, that's perfect.
Oh, that's it.
That's all you need.
Okay, and then the glaze. And what's
the glaze? So
what's
this
the
is
glaze
our
here?
Apricot glaze. Again, comes packaged, ready to go. Ultimately, it's just an apricot jam with some Dijon mustard, a little bit of extra sugar in there to get the caramelization going.
Nice. How much are we putting on here?
Yeah,
we put it all over?
That looks pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like that.
Okay, and then we put this into the oven.
Yep, so the key with all the hams, you're gonna wanna cover it when baking. With that moisture, that's what keeps it going.
Right.
As an important piece. So it's just a loose tarp like that. And look at that,
Just nice and loose. Okay, so let's do the magic of television because you got one in there. Look at that.
Careful, it's gonna be hot.
Good idea. Let me grab these and get this. And then how long was it in here for, Patrick?
It's about 2 hours for the whole ham.
Okay.
Hour and a half.
There we go. Look at that. All right. You want to slice that up for us? Because there's all different types too, right? Like this big guy in front of us here is one with a bone in it.
That's the bone in. So exact same ham. This is just deboned, same one whole muscle. Just gets netted again, and that's what keeps it all together.
Do you get the job at home of carving too?
I do.
Do you? Okay.
I'm often in the stores for our open houses, carving up as well. It's an important piece.
Lead right into, you got a couple open houses this weekend.
We sure do, yeah. King Street location is Saturday, and our Upper James location is this Sunday.
This Sunday, okay.
Yes.
Because you got, how many locations do you have altogether?
5 locations.
There's 5,
yeah.
Okay, wow, great.
We got a nice big piece there.
Nice. Oh, that's fabulous, Patrick.
I'll join my...
That is perfect. So you could, if you wanted to, you could do it yourself, because there's just regular hams that you can cut up and do that yourself. But
we have a different assortment. We have a ham as well.
All different types.
Yeah, made. Which one? That's great. We got the little mini Black Forest hams.
All different sizes.
And then another big thing we do is all of our side dishes. So again, keeping it simple. We got the scalloped potatoes, gourmet bacon mac and cheese, some with vegetables.
Nice.
Again, keeping it simple.
And then let's get this guy out here too, because this is the gift basket. So then you guys are doing all different types of custom gift baskets and things.
Yeah,
for everybody over the holidays.
We're well known for the holidays, all the different imported cookies, sweets, lots of great treats like that. And then of course we put it all together in a gift basket, great for family, friends.
Awesome.
Any of your culinary friends will be thrilled to get a Denninger's gift basket.
Well, listen, happy holidays to you and everybody at Denninger's. Feel free to cut me another piece there as we're heading to break. And congratulations on 70 years, an institution in the city of Hamilton. Denninger's, Patrick Denninger, the CEO, serving up some delicious ham on a Monday morning. Oh yeah, baby.
Thank you.